Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to talk to you briefly about how to make your internet speed and download speed faster using Windows. Now, here I am on YouTube, and I've got this quick video up with my logo in 3D. Now, if I refresh this page, you can see that it takes a moment, but it pretty quickly refreshes, and in fact, it's probably saved the buffer from the last time I was here. And I'll select a much higher quality, so 480p is about the highest quality that there was. And you can see it buffer, but again, it buffers pretty quick. Now, your internet speed is actually related to two things. If you're not looking to upgrade your router or pay for, a better membership with whoever you're getting your internet from, your only option is really to upgrade your computer. Now, if you've got multiple computers on a network, so like your laptop and somebody else's laptop and all of that stuff, and they're getting better speed than you are, chances are it's because of your computer and not the internet speed itself. When you download things or you try to watch movies, actually what your computer has to do is not only get that information, but then unpack it onto your computer. So to check and see if your computer is maybe running something that it shouldn't be, I'm just going to hold down Control and push Shift and Escape. And this brings up the Task Manager. And you can get to this pushing Control-Alt-Delete, but it also brings up an extra menu. So Control-Shift-Escape kind of bypasses that. And we're going to go to the Performance tab, and you can see that my CPU usage is spiking a little bit just because I'm running a screen capture program. But if we come over to Processes, we can sort by what's using the CPU and kind of see all of the programs. And if something is really spiking and you're not doing anything with your computer, this is a good place to come and see what's taking up all of your resources. If it's something running by the system, chances are it's just because your computer needs upgrading. If it's not, you may need to look at maybe removing some programs. It's also worth noting that if you fill your hard drive more than 3/4 of the way full, it will also slow your computer down. So, I hope that's explained how internet speed is related to your computer speed, not just your internet cable, and what you can possibly do to speed it up. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.